Hello everybody and welcome back to a new video on my channel. And do you remember this Hot Wheels Legends Tour Porsche 935 I got about a week ago when you are watching this? For me it's almost exactly a week ago, I think, or even two. I don't actually remember when I got the first one. But I went hunting today and I got a second one. And since I now have two of these, I could make them as a background like this, but since I'm gonna show it with this one is completely fine, by the way, but this one has a problem that I've noticed after filming of the episode in which I found this one or showed you the hunt in which I got it. And yeah, what I'm going to show you kind of broke my heart actually, because I didn't see it in store, and if I saw it in store, then I would have either asked for a replacement or would have asked, for example, if I can have a second one. Maybe I should have asked at this one as well, even if I can have a second one, because, or in this case, then a third one. But anyways, you can see it on the card, probably really not that good, but on the back you can see it pretty good. Sorry, I get a lot of messages and I have forgotten to turn it off. Maybe I can like this, I think. I hope the voice is now still recording, because I put it into do not disturb, so yeah. But anyways, back to the Porsche. As you can see here, it has sadly a bend. I don't know if you can actually see it in the light, but yeah, I don't like that. If we now open up the other one, I've checked this one actually once I went out of the store. I checked it, if I can actually open it maybe. The first time opening these blisters, they sit so hard, it's almost impossible to open them, which is kinda crazy if you think about it. But anyways, here is the second one I got, and this one is actually totally fine, which I actually quite like. And this one I'm gonna keep sealed. The other one we are gonna open up in this video, but that is only happening at the end. So if you all are only here for the opening of the Porsche 935 to see it in detail, skip to the end. I'm gonna show you what I got in the hunt to get the second one. And yeah, for the meantime we are putting the first one back into the background so it looks a bit better. I'm gonna be honest, before I even show you this stuff, literally half of this stuff I don't know why I bought it. I know why I bought it. I bought it because I needed like 30 plus euros. As with the first one, I needed 30 plus euros to get the Porsche for free. And since the last time I was there, they sadly didn't restock their packs, especially not the premium packs. They were almost empty, so I had to get the Lamborghini LM002 twice to get like 9.99.2, or let's round it up to 20 euros, 10 euros for each one. These two I'm either gonna give away to friends or keep them for now, maybe for a later giveaway. Who knows? I don't have decided. And why is there a hair? You didn't see it. We are gonna move you to the side. And now there's only 20 of 30 euros I needed. And I didn't want to buy 4 times the same car, let's be honest, because what should I do with them? Not gonna lie, already felt like buying these two. I felt like a scalper, because I already have 2 of these and don't know what to do with these except giving them away to friends or later in a giveaway to you, my dear subscribers. Yeah. Please don't call me a scalper because I think I'm... Is this scalping what I did? I don't think so actually, but if you think so, please let me know and explain to me, because again, I don't think I did scalp. And yeah, the other thing I bought was actually a diorama set, and I think this is from 2024 still, and we are almost at the end of the 2025 season of Hot Wheels. Or was the start of 2025? I actually don't know. 2024. Bam. This diorama set was, I don't know which of these cars. This was in America, especially in American TikToks. I saw so many of these in store, opened up, and only one of the cars stolen. Of course, I'm talking about the Spoon Racing diorama set. I am not really a fan of this, not gonna lie. I wouldn't have bought it if it wasn't a cheaper way with these two to get the Porsche 935. But yeah. What did I want to say? Yes. I don't know if the Citroen H-Van or the Toyota Stout drift truck was stolen. Pretty much these two are pretty much the thing why no one collected. Wait a second, it's a normal transporter, so I can even put cars on there. Interesting. Okay, I didn't look at it, I just took it for, and it was like 15-20 bucks, I think, something around that area. And this one we are actually gonna unbox, because I think I'm gonna keep this one for now, or even if I open it up, I can always give it away to a friend or my cousin or someone who wants it, pretty much. And yeah, for the opening I actually got a little knife. Wait. Yeah. Look away, guys. Why don't you want to open? Come on. Thank you. Okay, here we have the 3 cars and the speedboat, I think. Speedways. So this is the Speedways. Okay. We're gonna see when I'm unboxing this. Citroen H-Van, the drift car, the transporter, the no wait, this is the classic hydroplane, and then this is the Speedways. Okay, interesting. Anyways, we are gonna unbox these step by step. You know what, guys, I'm gonna skip this one for you guys. I'm just gonna unbox them really quickly so that you don't have like, because it seems like I have to remove the entire thing because these plastic flaps, I need to, I don't even know how I'm gonna get it out, not gonna lie. So before I waste your guys' time, or you click off because it gets so boring because you don't see shit, I'm gonna skip this for you. We see each other in a second. Okay, I finally got it off. It was easily 4 or 5 minutes that it took me to take all of this off. because especially the plastic parts that protect the car, I guess, whatever that is. So I think this one was stolen mostly because this one was very easy to steal, I guess, because it was with the truck the easiest to make loose. So I guess it would only make sense. But I don't know, so yeah. Anyways, we are gonna go through all 4 of these step by step, and then we're gonna open up the Porsche 935, this one, this beautiful one. We're gonna start with the boat. The boat is actually in the packaging tied to this little plastic thing that you can easily break into into 2 parts, which is actually not that good of an idea if I think about it. And then yeah, you have like a little stop point, I guess, where you can put it like this on it, but yeah, it's pretty flimsy, but it's alright. We got some nice details like Moon Eyes Racing Team and a little seat. Then the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 V12. Is it a V12? Yes, from the angle the cylinders are sitting, I would say it's a V12 actually, which is actually crazy in a boat. And then we have here the little thing, the nut pedal that makes the boat go fast. And nice. I'm actually planning on or deciding if I should start building my own custom dioramas, and if I build one with a lake or a sea, I can put this one in, so it's actually pretty nice. Here we have the transporter, which actually has a fixed flatbed, which is actually quite interesting. No rear details, which is interesting. Then on the side, Moon Eyes Racing of the cab, and yeah, and on the front some minor details, really nice. Black grill, actually nice. Okay, next up we have the Citroen Van H or H Van, and yeah, why is all of this pretty good visible and then the Citroen is like barely, I can barely see it. I hope you can actually see it on camera, but it's above the made in Thailand thing. H1, interesting. Nice. And then we have over here the Toyota Stout truck, or drift truck in this case. Really nice. This one is also surprisingly, after this one, the heaviest. Okay, now if you... No, this one is heavier, I lied, sorry. Some sponsors on the front. On the camera they actually look worse than they look in person, which is quite interesting. And yeah. Twerk. If anyone knows what this means, please let me know. And then we have here the end, the rear. Yeah, really nice. This one is obviously my favorite from this set. All the other stuff is not really interesting to me. And yeah, you can either put this one up here, this one, or the speedboat. Does this have like a fixed space? How is it even? Ah, like this. Okay. How is it supposed to fit on this? I actually don't know. Is it supposed to be like this? Yeah, I don't know. If there's the case that anyone has this set as well and knows how to put this one up there, please let me know. this would probably be how you display it. Really nice, interesting. And yeah, we are gonna stay with the truck because, as promised, we are now finally unboxing the Porsche 935 Hot Wheels from the Hot Wheels Legends Tour. And I just gotta check real quick that this actually is indeed the bent one. Yes, it is, because I want obviously to open the bent card one, because the other one wouldn't make sense to open, because it is in good condition. So it would actually be, in my opinion, quite stupid to open the good one up. But yeah, here we are. And actually this one is quite heavy, and it looks like it has rubber tires. I don't know if it's actually metal base, but I don't have metal base, and I actually don't know. I guess we're gonna see when I open it up in a few seconds. I'm actually trying to be as careful with the packaging as I possible, because I want to keep actually the packaging, and I saw this already when I got it. It's actually protected from the rear as well, so if you open it, it's actually quite fixed in place, which is really nice. A nice little detail. It's like fixed like this into the packaging, which is nice. And yes, indeed, rubber tires, but it feels like I know it's a plastic base. If I compare it, yes, plastic base. This is the mainline version of it from last year. And yeah, but rubber tires, so I guess like a Super Treasure Hunt. I don't have a Super Treasure Hunt open up, so I can't say so. Please let me know in the comments, guys, if you have a loose Super Treasure Hunt. I think George from George's Miniature Diecasts has actually a loose one, so George, let me know if they have a plastic base or if they are full on premium. So yeah, but this one looks actually really nice. Oh, was I dead with the windshield? I hope I wasn't dead. But as you can see, the windshield has, from the top left corner almost all the way to the middle, like a crack or scratch, I guess, which is actually quite sad. Porsche. I guess it's like a hot pink or something in spectral flame color. It looks actually so good in my opinion, especially with the details. It looks fabulous in my opinion. Really nice one. And yeah, this actually pretty much wraps up the video for today. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please consider liking and subscribing, because why not? And especially if you're already coming back to my videos for a couple of times now, please consider subscribing. It helps me out a lot more than you think. And let me know in the comments your favorite car from today. And then I wish you a wonderful day ahead. We see each other in the next video. Until then, have a wonderful time. Bye bye.